I just want to give a quick update on my Starlink and the connection and the connectivity ever since I ended up cutting the connection cord so I can install it easily on the exterior of the Airstream. I've received several questions on that and how my service is. One of the things I did discover is that I wasn't making sure that the RJ45 Cat6 connection, shielded connection, was seated in the coupler all the time, and that was something that was really important to make a good strong connection. And what it is on the back of these connectors, there's a little plastic thing at the bottom here, and what you have to do is make sure that when it goes in, you hear like a little click. And if you hear a little click, then you know that it's seated properly and you're going to get a good strong connection with the Starlink. Other than that, I haven't had any issues whatsoever. I love the service and I love the ease of just plugging it in and being able to have internet service wherever I go. And it is a little bit on the pricey side, but it's nice to be able to have internet instead of some of the remote locations that I go to and then try to connect with my cell phone or Wi-Fi service wasn't always working. So I'll show you the connection that I'm talking about with the coupler. This is where you need to make sure that it's completely seated into the coupler. I also was told that you need to keep the modem router on the outside of your closets, or you can't have anything blocking them, otherwise you're not going to get the signal, and that just isn't true. I have mine in my closet, as I have shown during the installation, and I keep it in the closet. I don't have it out unless I'm using my jackery and I put the jackery in the closet to allow myself additional room in the closet. So I put the modem router up on top of the refrigerator. But other than that, I don't have any problems with keeping it in the closet or in the back of the closet. So I want to make sure that I cleared that up as well. So I just wanted to give you that quick update and let you know my thoughts on the Starlink. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.